Hey, what's going on, YouTube? My family and my friends. Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. All right, so I have a customer that I did a custom template for, and she states that the template is not opening up. So let's try this here. I'm making this video for her so that she can watch it and follow along because it works just perfectly. So you want to start a new project first. Next, we want to go to our upload here. Then we want to upload image. You can drag the file here or browse. I'm going to drag it in from the folder. So let's see here. I have it in my templates for sale, and it was this one. All right. So you'll receive these files: guide file, stone count, stone group, stone ungroup, sub DTF print size, and vinyl group. So right here, we drag in the stone group. We'll drag it in like so. Now the stone group has the G for the inside, the outline circle, and then it also has um, these parts down here. So let's hit confirm. We'll continue. Hit upload. And as you can see, it comes out like so. It is sized at 1145 by 21998. So next, what you want to do is you want to go to the guide file, open up the guide file, and we want to look at the guide file. And the guide file says the stone group here is supposed to be 11.45 by 22.0. So let's unlock this here, 11.45 by 22.0. All right. Now let's hit make it. Once we hit make it, it shows it here, ready to cut out. And now all we have to do is hit continue. I don't have my Cricut connected, so nothing's going to cut. But connect your Cricut, and you'll be off and running. All right now.